Mobvoi announced its line of smartwatches at an event in London, the TicWatch C2 Classic 2. The $200 clock works with Wear OS and is equipped with NFC to support Google Pay. It comes in pink, black and platinum gold. The pink gold version is slightly thinner for smaller dolls. The watch is available for pre-order now, and is ready to be released on December 6. The C2 is the sequel to the original TicWatch 2 from Mobvoi, which was first released on Kickstarter. The first Mobvoi watches were run on their own Android-based operating system and their own voice assistant software before the company changed the Wear OS platform. The upgraded C2 also has a longer battery life of approximately 2 days and an IP68 waterproofing rating. The design of the C2 is much thinner than the company's latest smartwatch, the dual-screen TicWatch Pro, with its elegant stainless steel watch fronts and leather straps. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2100 chip, which looks like a missed opportunity as Qualcomm will launch its new Snapdragon Wear 3100 chip later this year.